students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. The next question is the equation of a line parallel to x-axis and passing through the origin is. And these are our options. So general form of a line is something like x minus x1 divided by a is equals to y minus y1 divided by b is equals to z minus z1 divided by c, where x1, y1 and z1 are the points on the line and a, comma b, comma c are the direction ratio of the line. So direction ratio parallel to x-axis will be a some random constant k, comma 0, correct? Or we can, in general, in a unit vector form, we can write it as 1, 0. This is a direction cosines along direction cosine parallel to x-axis, and point is also given on the line is origin. So point is 0, 0, 0. So equation of line will become x, and these are the points, right? So x1 is 0, y1 is 0, z1 is 0. So x minus 0 divided by a is 1 is equals to y minus 0 divided by b, which is 0, and z minus 0 divided by c, which is 0. So this will be our equation of line parallel to x-axis and passing through origin. So correct option will be option B. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.